This is one giant cell, the largest known on Earth. It's a single living cell. Can you imagine? All of the cells in your body, they're all connected. They send messages back and forth, but they don't have to because they're close enough together. The giant single cell, it's a different story. Here's a close-up of the giant single cell. Look at this. One cell, sometimes larger than a golf ball. Scientists call it Valonia ventricosa, or bubble algae, or sailor's eyeballs. How does a single cell get so big? Cells are supposed to be small. That's just how they work. The bigger they get, the harder it is for them to take care of their own needs. Things like eating and breathing. But Valonia ventricosa, it has an incredible trick. Check this out. Most cells look like blobs or sheets or tiny little tubes, but this one, it's a sphere. It's like a water balloon filled with water and air. The stuff that makes it a living cell, that's just a thin layer along the surface. Everything it needs to stay alive, its food, its oxygen, its waste, it all just passes through the surface. It's like if you were a giant and you could breathe through your skin. That's diffusion. Molecules moving in and out of a surface. It works pretty fast in a thin layer, but as the layer gets thicker, diffusion gets slower. But Valonia ventricosa, it's perfectly designed to solve this problem. Its thin layer makes it work. Even as the cell grows bigger and bigger, it can still breathe. It can still feed itself, take in nutrients and expel waste. And because it's mostly made of water, light can pass through its thin green layer and fuel photosynthesis. Here's how it all comes together. You've got a spherical shell, just like a bubble. Inside that shell, a thin layer of green goo. And in the right conditions, sunlight, warm water, and plenty of nutrients, that single cell can grow big enough for us to see, touch, and marvel at. So here's to the giant single cell, reminding us that sometimes the smallest things in life can be the largest wonders. Alright, that's all for now. See you next time.